Hi guys, today I'll be talking about Farcaster versus Warpcast. So if you've been confused about these two platforms, then this video will be your final bus stop. So we're going to start with Farcaster. What exactly is Farcaster? So Farcaster is a sufficiently decentralized social network, and it is a platform that basically sets the rules that decentralized social media applications follow. It is decentralized in the sense that, when you want to create accounts in social media applications like your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, you basically have to create like separate accounts, and you have to really grow your profile to like really have your followings and your personality in these different platforms. But when it comes to decentralized social media applications, all you just need to do is build your portfolio, build your profile on one, and then if you want to go to another decentralized social media application, you don't necessarily have to start growing your profile again. You carry your personality, your profile, your data, all the data that you've sent in the other application will just follow you along to the other application. So it's very interesting that in decentralized social media applications, you don't have to really be a different person all through your social media account, or you don't have to start growing your followings again, or creating new posts and all of that. You just have to create one account, and it is decentralized across all the other social media applications. So where does Warpcast come in all of this? So you already know that Farcaster is the protocol which sets the rules, is more like the foundation, and Farcaster can have a lot of clients. So what I mean by clients is social media applications are built on top of Farcaster, and in the sense they are decentralized social media applications. So you understand now that Farcaster is the protocol that sets the rules, and Warpcast is just a client on top of Farcaster. Warpcast is just one of various social media applications built on top of Farcaster. Another like it is Supercast. So this is Warpcast. This is what Warpcast looks like, and this is also what Supercast looks like. So they look quite similar, very similar to Twitter, but you can see that the good thing here is that when you've built your profile on Warpcast, when you're going to Supercast, you don't have to create a new account. So you just create one Farcaster account, and then you can use that across several decentralized social media applications. So with this now, you can differentiate between Farcaster and Warpcast, and likewise Supercast. And until next time, keep building and be good. Bye.